So now let's see how we can work around with the Navigator panel. So to work around with Navigator panel, we can go around over here onto the More option, and here you'll be able to see Navigator over here. You can drag this out over here, and you can also access up the Navigator by going on to the triangular icon, and by accessing out the Navigator from over here, or from Windows right here, you can see the Navigator over here as well. So the Navigator allows you to zoom in and out right here. So you can go around and zoom in and zoom out, and you can see that it's easy to zoom in and out of the image right here just by using the slider instead of just using the zoom tool over here on the left side. It is also a great addition to the zoom tool right here. You can click right here and you can see the exact amount of zoom from the Navigator. So here you can see that it is on the negative magnification right here, but if I were to go around, hold Alt, then you see the plus over here, which allows you to magnify it. You can also use the use the area right here. Just click and drag around over here in the Navigator, and you can see that different sections of the photos instead of just using the scroll bar right here. As you can see, you still see like what section you're seeing right here, but you can just click and drag around, and you can see that this is how it looks. And that is how you can work around with the Navigator inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.